The second attack last week happened in the town of Bokfontein, South Africa. A young lady and her two little daughters, aged 9 and 13, were attacked and being hit over the head and the backs repeatedly by tonfas and a sjambok. Third, a farmer from the town of Chrissismeer was brutally assaulted with a wheel spanner and his vehicle was robbed. It is a white Nissan MP300 bakkie with the registration plates PTR 880GP. The fourth attack that same day happened in the Hans Merensky area, where a security guard at the ATKV Eiland Resort was stabbed by 3 black males and was later admitted to the hospital in Letaba. The fifth farm attack on that same day, the 15th of April 2018, I could only find an Afrikaans article, so I'm going to translate it for you. Miracle after miracle saves missionary farmer's life after farm attack. Mike Bonnet, a 70-year-old missionary farmer from Gauteng, was attacked on his way to church by 3 men on his farm in the Midvaal area in Meyerton. He was assaulted grossly. On the second day of this 5-day period, there were 2 farm attacks, of which one the farmer didn't make it. The first one was an attack on a farmer named Bill Gravitt, who was 63 years old and was savagely attacked with an axe and a knife on his farm on the outskirts of the Adu area. The second one was a man who was killed and his body was found next to the road in the King Williamstown district. This farmer was 62 years old. Then a couple from Revelo was hospitalized. Several balaclava-clad men entered the home of Christu, 52, and Lizelle Bosman, 46, at around 2 a.m. while they were sleeping. Both of them were beaten up and are in the hospital in Kimberley currently. On that same day, an attack happened on a sugarcane farm in Spioenkop in the Natal province of South Africa, where 2 elderly people, the farmer Mr. M. Govender, 77, and his wife, 70, were attacked at their home. 3 suspects visually beaten them up after breaking the door down. Mrs. Govender didn't make it. Mr. Govender is currently in the hospital. Then another attack happened in the area of Bokfontein, where a worker was tied up and assaulted. Luckily, the owners of the farm was not home at that stage, otherwise we don't know what would have happened. The day after that, another farm attack happened, where a woman was shot in the head in Springs, South Africa. 2 black males were observed lurking outside. They were armed with a shotgun and a pistol. The owner's son opened the door to shout at them. It was then when his mom, Mrs. Mota, was shot in the head. She is currently on life support in the Far East Rand Hospital. Now, while all of this were taking place, the northwest province of South Africa is burning. There are severe riots going on and lots of people's property are set alight. This is probably some of the worst riots that we have seen in South Africa as of yet. The towns of Mafikeng, Potchefstroom, Klerksdorp, Ventersdorp and many other towns in the whole province are currently under riot. A lot of property is being burnt. Houses are being broken down, the shops are being broken into and are looted, and whole shopping malls were broken down. The situation in South Africa is extending into chaos. Please share this video with all your family and friends so that this message gets out there and that people can understand what's going on in South Africa.